Why is safety paramount in industrial processes and how can we ensure it? This is a question that industry leaders grapple with daily. The answer lies in the Safety Instrumented System, or SIS, a crucial component in industrial processes designed to detect and mitigate potential hazards. So, what exactly is a safety instrumented system? In essence, it is a set of related instruments that ensures the safe operation of a process when predetermined conditions are violated. If a dangerous situation arises, the SIS activates to bring the process back to a safe state or perform necessary actions to minimize the impact of the hazard. But how does it work? The SIS operates in three integral stages. First, sensors detect the hazardous condition. Next, the logic solver decides the appropriate action based on the information received from the sensors. Finally, final elements such as valves or switches execute the action, returning the process to a safe state. However, the effectiveness of a safety instrumented system lies in its design and implementation. Here's where the International Electrotechnical Commission, or IEC, standards come into play. IEC61508, for example, lays the groundwork for functional safety, addressing the entire safety life cycle. On the other hand, IEC61511 focuses on the process industry, guiding the application of the SIS. These standards emphasize continuous monitoring, testing, and documentation to ensure the reliability and effectiveness of the safety instrumented system. They also introduce the concept of safety integrity levels, or SILs, which represent the degree of risk reduction required. The higher the SIL, the higher the level of safety. There are various SIS providers in the industry offering solutions compliant with IEC standards. Some of the well-known ones include Emerson Delta SIS, Siemens Safety Integrated, ABB Safety System 800XA, and Rockwell Automation GuardLogix. Each of these providers offers unique solutions that cater to different industrial needs. However, it's important to remember that the choice of a safety instrumented system depends on the specific requirements of the industry, the nature of the process, and the desired safety integrity level. Therefore, companies must carefully assess these factors before selecting a particular SIS solution. In conclusion, the safety instrumented system plays a pivotal role in maintaining safety in industrial processes. By adhering to IEC standards, companies can ensure the effectiveness of their SIS and ultimately protect their processes from potential hazards. Safety, after all, should never be compromised.